The Smart Schools Online with Smart Computing video lesson number 3, chapter number 1, Computer Fundamentals and Devices. Assalamu alaikum. This is the video lesson number 3 from chapter number 1. In this video lesson, we shall cover other hardware devices given on page number 10 to 12 of your textbook. The resources required for this video lesson are Online with Smart Computing Book 3, pencil, rubber, sharpener, scale, blue sheets, notebook. I hope that you have already arranged these things with you. By the end of the lesson, we shall be able to recognize hardware devices, define computer software. Dear students, have you seen other computer devices that we connect to the computer? Can you recall their names? Can you recall for what purposes do we connect these devices with the computer? Yes, there are various devices we connect to the computer, such as the printer, scanner, speaker, microphone, joystick, light pen, UPS, plotter, flash drive, hard disk, CD, etc. We connect these devices with the computer and use them for various purposes. Let's watch this video together and see how do we use these devices.
Clicko, look at all these electronic equipments. I wonder what they are used for.
Rennie, all these are different parts of a computer.
What? I thought only the keyboard, the mouse, the CPU, and the monitor are parts of a computer.
Actually, the keyboard, the monitor, the mouse, and the CPU are the main parts of a computer. These equipments you see on the shelves are some other parts of a computer.
Oh, really? Can you tell me what these parts are used for?
Sure, Rennie. But first, do you remember the functions of the main parts of a computer? I think you need to refresh your memory. Let me tell you what the main parts of the computers are used for.
Yes, please do.
Let's start with the monitor. The monitor is also known as the VDU, which stands for Visual Display Unit. It looks like a television. The monitor displays whatever we type with the keyboard. The monitor also displays whatever we draw with the mouse. You can also watch movies or play games on the monitor.
Look, Clicko, these two monitors looks very different from each other.
Yes, Rennie. Nowadays, monitor comes in different shapes and sizes. There are basically two different types of monitors, CRT and LCD. And this is the keyboard.
Yes, I know that. The keyboard is used for typing text, numbers, and special characters on the computer.
Yes, Rennie. The keyboard has many buttons on it, which are called keys. Different keys have different function.
Yes, I remember that a standard keyboard has 104 keys.
Very right, Rennie. This is the system unit. It contains the CPU. Do you remember what CPU stands for, Rennie?
Yes, CPU means Central Processing Unit.
Right, Rennie. Whatever you type through the keyboard or do with the mouse goes to the CPU. The CPU processes it and sends the results on the monitor. Let us now discuss about the mouse. You probably know that the mouse is a pointing device?
Yes, Clicko. I know that the mouse is used to point out the items present on the computer screen.
Right, Rennie. The mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on top and a sensor at the bottom. A long wire attaches the mouse to the CPU. Nowadays, wireless mouse is also available.
Why is there a light under the mouse, Clicko?
That is the optical sensor, Rennie. It detects the mouse movement. Earlier, there used to be a ball inside the mouse instead of an optical sensor.
Okay, so these are the main parts of the computer. Now, can you tell me what all those devices are used for, Clicko?
Sure, Rennie. These are the speakers. They help us to listen to recorded music, songs, speech, or other sounds.
And these?
They are headphones. By using them, you can hear the sound generated by a computer without disturbing others.
Is this a printer, Clicko?
Yes, Rennie, this is a printer. It is used for printing the work done on a computer on a sheet of paper. Some printers print only in black and white, while some others can print in color.
What is this device, Clicko?
This is a scanner. It can read words, pictures, or numbers printed on a sheet of paper and changes them into form that a computer can understand.
This is an UPS, right?
Yes, it is an UPS, which stands for uninterrupted power supply. Inside it, there is a battery which stores electrical power.
I remember. The UPS is used for keeping the computer on for a few minutes if there is a sudden power cut.
Yes, Rennie. By this way, we can save the work that we are doing.
Look, Clicko, I have seen this device earlier. Artists used to sing or talk while holding them to people.
Yes, Rennie, that is a microphone.
How is it used in a computer?
A microphone is used to record voice, music, and sound into the computer. It is sometimes called a mic or mic.
Hey, isn't that what they call a joystick?
Yes, that is a joystick. It is used to control movement of objects on a computer. It is used for playing games on a computer.
What is this object, Clicko?
That is a modem. It is used to connect a computer to the internet.
And what about this?
That is a web camera. It is used to capture pictures and video images from outside and store them into the computer. It is simply referred to as webcam.
What are these round discs?
They are called CDs or DVDs. They can store information for the computer.
What does CD and DVD stands for, Clicko?
CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital versatile disc.
These are pen drives, aren't they, Clicko?
Yes, Rennie, they are pen drives. Pen drives are also storage devices. Pen drives can store more information than CD or DVDs. Now that we have come to the end of the shelf, I hope you will remember about all these devices.
Yes, Clicko. I now know so much about different devices used with a computer. Thank you for your help, Clicko.
Dear students, I believe that you have enjoyed the video. Now, after this video, I request you to please read from page number 10 to 12 of your textbook. Identify the functions of computer connected devices such as the printer, speakers, microphone, joystick, light pen, UPS, plotter, pen drive, hard disk, and compact disk. Try to memorize the function of each device. We shall discuss these devices one by one. Yes, students, can you recognize what is this? It is a printer. Can you tell why do we use computer printer? Yes, we use a printer to get the printout of documents. A printer is an output device. It is used to get the printout of document on a paper. And that printout on the paper is called, can you tell? Hard copy. Now, students, can you identify which output device is it? Yes, it is speakers. Can you tell why do we use speakers? Yes, we use speakers to listen to sound and music. Now students, can you tell me which computer device is it? Yes, it is a picture of a microphone. And why do we use a microphone? We use a microphone to record sound or music into the computer. Can you identify what is it? Students, yes, it is a joystick. Why do we use a joystick? We use joystick to play games. It is an input device. Now, can you tell what computer device is it? It is light pen. Can you tell why do we use light pen? We use light pen to select object on the screen. Now, students, can you identify which computer device is it? It is a UPS. Can you tell why do we use UPS? Yes, we use UPS to give power backup to our computers. If the electricity goes off, UPS keeps the computer running for some time. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Can you tell me which picture is it? Yes, it is the picture of a plotter. What is a plotter? A plotter is like a printer, but it is bigger than a printer. It prints large number of printouts on a paper. Students, can you identify the picture on your screen? It is the picture of a pen drive. Students, can you tell why do we use pen drive? Yes, we use a pen drive to store large amount of data. We can carry this pen drive from one place to another and use it on another computer to see our data. It is used to store large amount of data. Students, can you tell me which picture has appeared in front of you now? Yes, it is the picture of a hard disk. Can you tell why do we use hard disk? Yes, we use a hard disk to store computer programs and information. It is fixed inside the CPU box. Now students, can you identify this picture? Yes, it is the picture of a compact disk. We use compact disk to store large amount of data. Can you tell what a computer software is? A computer software is called a computer program. A computer is useless without a computer program. A computer program is useless without a computer. Computer software is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do and how to do. MS Paint, Word, Logo are examples of computer software. There are many other computer softwares that we use in our daily life. For example, Microsoft Windows. Let's recap. We use printer to get the print of a document on a paper. Computer printout is called hard copy. Speakers are used to produce sound. We use microphone to input voice data. Scanners are used to scan pictures and documents. Light pen is used to select objects on the screen. UPS is power backup device. Plotters are bigger printers. Pen drive is used to store data. Hard disk, compact disk are used to store information. Software is a computer. Now let's see if we can write answers to these questions. How do we get the printout of a document? Why do we use speakers? What is the function of microphone? Which device is used to give power backup to computer when light goes off? What is the use of plotter? What is a computer program? Students, I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson. We shall meet in the next lesson. Till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.